Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Obi Nekpa from Ultimate Digitals. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step. We are going to be ending the step-by-step series I started in my previous video. We didn't complete on it due to one issue or the other, but in this video, you're going to see the complete the end of it. So let's get started. So before I go on, I want to ask if you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not done that, this is the best time to do that. So hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification button as well, so that you always get all the amazing and quality content I drop every now and then. And you'll be glad you did. If you have any question, if you have any anything troubling you regarding Amazon publishing, KDP, on or how to earn passive income on anything that is bothering you at all, just feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'll be glad to answer you. I i hide nothing. I don't skip anything. I just want to grow my YouTube channel. So if you click on the subscribe button, you always get all the quality details, all the quality videos whenever I drop any of them, and I'm sure you'll be glad you did. So let's proceed. So in my previous video, I showed you how we get to this stage, where we choose our title. This is our title. Then I use this as a subtitle. I hope you are still following. Then it's not under any series, so you can see this is my name. uh, Contributors, I don't have any contributors. The book was written by me. So this is the description. You can see the description I wrote here is about 1094 words. No, sorry, remaining character is what is showing here. So here it says I own the copyright and I hold necessary publishing rights. Then under keyword, you can see the what I put here, because these are the things that are related to the book I'm trying to publish. So on the under category, I have chosen this. So if you click on set categories, then you can make your own decision on what you want, the category you want your book to be under. So this place, just keep it, because there's nothing there, and I'm ready to release my book now. Then if you have done that, you click on save and continue. So let's proceed to the last place. So now this is the last page you are going to be before you hit publish. So you can see the book is showing, and also the cover is also showing. Then this place that has ISBN, there's no need for you to put anything there, because the system will generate the ISBN automatically. So next is pricing. So I click save and continue. So we are at the last bus stop, where you select price for your book. Now this is very important. I want you to pay attention to this, because this is where most people miss it. Now you see where it says enroll my book in KDP. Now if you're a beginner and you want to make more sales, you don't, I want to assume that you don't know how to do all those advert or whatever. So it's better you always select, check this box, enroll my book in KDP Select, so that from the sales that are being generated by KDP, it will be added to your own royalty, so that you also be making uh, you know income at the end of the month. So it's very, very important. So always check this box so that you don't miss out on any this thing. And under territories, let your this thing be under all territories, which is worldwide, right? So don't check this one. So select this one that is under here automatically. Then where do you want your book to be published? Primary marketplace, leave it at Amazon.com. Now pricing, royalty and distribution. So you select 35% or 70%. But if you're a beginner, I will advise you to go for 70%. Maybe subsequently, as you write more, you can now choose 35%, because 35% will give you lesser income per book. So to price your book, you will start from minimum 2.99 if you choose 70%. So I will select